Hello, everyone. Welcome to another tutorial on Zimist Coded. Today, we'll walk through the process of adding dummy text to your Word document, a crucial step in creating templates that can be easily modified later on. We'll be using two functions, Lorem and rand, to generate random placeholder content for our template. Let's start by looking at the Lorem function. The Lorem function generates Lorem Ipsum text, a type of placeholder text often used in the printing and typesetting industry. By default, it creates 5 paragraphs with 3 sentences each. Basic usage of the Lorem function. Functions in Word are normally preceded by an equal sign as it is done in Excel formulas. So, to use this function, we start with an equal sign, followed by the function and then open and close parenthesis. Type equals Lorem open and close parenthesis in a Word document. Hit the return key to generate the content. Now, you will realize that the produced content has 5 paragraphs with 3 sentences each. Customizing the number of paragraphs and sentences within the Lorem function. To customize, use equals Lorem, p, s, where p is the number of paragraphs and s is the number of sentences. Example, type equals Lorem, 4, 5, and hit the return key. This will create content of 4 paragraphs with 5 sentences each. Now, let's move on to using the rand function. The rand function generates random English text using excerpts from Microsoft help files. Like Lorem, it defaults to 5 paragraphs with 3 sentences each. Basic usage of the rand function. Type equals rand in a Word document. Hit the return key to generate the content. Now, you will realize that the produced content has 5 paragraphs with 3 sentences each. Customizing the number of paragraphs and sentences within the rand function. To customize, use equals rand, p, s, where p is the number of paragraphs and s is the number of sentences. Example, type equals rand, 6, 3, and hit the return key. This will create 6 paragraphs with 3 sentences each. Important points. Always start the function with an equal sign. Ensure to include open and close parentheses. Customize by adjusting the parameters within the parentheses. Feel free to check out the video guide on my YouTube channel, Zimist Coded. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content related to programming, database applications, and other IT topics. Happy document creation!